What's up, YouTube? How's everybody doing? Good, good. I'm doing okay. Been kind of hectic around here, but that's okay. Today, we're gonna start taking off some sheet metal. So we're gonna drill out the rivets. You can see this has been repaired before, but it's so bent. It was like $100 and something to get a new one, so it was cheaper considering time-wise. But we're gonna do that. The rear apron, the front apron, and probably the spare tire tray, and maybe the luggage pan. But we'll see how that goes. So let me get set up, and we're also going to try out a spot weld cutter and do a review on it. So let's see how that goes, and let me get set up. We'll be right back. Okay, what we're going to be using is a Blair. It's the premium spot weld cutter. I got it on Amazon. I can't remember the price, like 20 or 30 bucks. But it had extra cutters and an extra bit for the center. And then we also got some stick lube. Oh man, gotta have your stick lubed. So, let me get this. It's almost like candle wax. It smells like grease. I guess we put a little on there. That might be a little too much. Okay. Okay, this is a center punch. So you just take it, it's pointy, it's spring loaded. So you put it right on your weld, right in the center. And it leaves like a little divot so your drill bit doesn't walk all over the place. You can get those on Amazon, eBay, probably Home Depot has them, hell, I don't know. That's just a generic one, probably from Harbor Freight or something. Wow. Works pretty good. Let's go through and we'll take this and we'll punch them all. There's probably about 50 spot welds. We'll see. Should be that bad. Okay, on both sides, there's a weld right here. So we're just going to cut that. Alright, you guys are in my fucking way. Ooh, bitch, get out the way. Can you see? No fucks given if you can't. I think I told you that, yep. I went a little bit deeper. I was kind of too deep. That's what I was afraid of. Do some repairs there. Alright. I'm going to go around and do the front, and then I'll bring you back and show you. Okay. So I got this off. There's no way around this. See all the holes? That's where I'll put the spot welds. Couldn't get the spot weld cutter in on the sides. This was already bent pretty good, so I'm going to try and straighten it up. But I think I'm pretty much done for the day. I might go ahead and clean this up with a flapper disc. Basically all this is sandpaper stacked. I have a couple of different ones. This one's Norton, I think the other one's DeWalt. They're all about the same, honestly, from what I've seen. I would like to say that this fucking bit, come on, focus. It's a Blair spot weld cutter with the stick lube. It worked great. I did probably 10, 20, 30, 40, probably around 50 spot welds, 40 to 50 spot welds, and it cut through them like butter. So that worked out pretty good. So I definitely recommend that. They have them on the Slamazon. It is a Blair spot weld cutter kit. And they have another one, but I don't think I would recommend, get the one with the drill bit in the center. This just has like a little guide in the center. The other one has a drill bit. The drill bit looks a little more substantial, but hell, you never know. I got both of them. I didn't try the other one out. I'll try the other too, but I definitely recommend this one. Alright, well, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back at it tomorrow. I have a video that I did painting the tins, and for some reason I can't get it to upload, so we'll see how that goes. I might just have to add a small video on to, you know, another video. We'll see. Anyways, we're starting to get somewhere. It's starting to look like something. Can't wait till I get these panels welded in, and then I can do body work. And then I'm on the home stretch right there. We still have to do this one. That one's wasted. But I want to get the back welded in before I cut this out, because I don't want the back to flex. All right, like, comment, subscribe, hit the little taco symbol, taco bell. Okay, I know that was stupid. Peace.